delegates sitting on the dais, Dr. Rajesh Agarwalji. I am very well aware of the time frame I need to make my presentation. First of all, I would like to start with reiterating my name. Being in Maharashtra, my name is Amit Ranade. Various times it happens that it has been pronounced as with various different names. I am representing Maharashtra Knowledge Corporation Limited. It's an organization initiated by Government of Maharashtra, and I would like to make my presentation very crisp. I will not take 15 minutes or 10 minutes. I will take just 6 minutes of yours, and I would like to put forth some specific innovations in education that we are trying to make to solve various challenges that has been put forth. The transformative agenda that we are continuously working on since last 10 years is basically focusing on how to take the fruits of information technology till masses. Rather than focusing on classes, we try to ensure that for our course known as MSc-IT, that is Maharashtra State Certification in Information Technology. Last year when I visited Gadchiroli, I could literally see a very small guy. If I say like this, uski naak beh rahi thi, still he was sitting on a computer and he was trying to learn something. So this is the scenario we are trying to focus on. We are trying to take information technology till masses. We knew that there is a lot of attrition. Learning facilitators, teachers which are deployed at our centers continuously leave the job. So we tried to implement e-learning methodology. Now the biggest challenge in implementing e-learning methodology is like how to ensure that learning is happening. How to ensure that in the word of e-learning, E should be small and L should be capital. So this is what the transformative agenda we are focusing on. What we did is we implemented a technology solution which is a COSI mode of deployment. That is, it don't require internet connectivity to run or to see the highly interactive content. The content is focusing on more interactivities, performance oriented. E-learning could help us to bring same quality of education from metros, from Malabar Hill to Gadchiroli to Amravati, and more than we have 5,000 centers in Maharashtra, from rural areas, hilly areas, urban areas. So this is how we are trying to manage a personalized learning environment. In last 10 years, we could touch more than 70 lakh learners. We have 5,000 authorized learning centers in Maharashtra, and they are also our facilitation centers. Those are ranging from various areas. How we are trying to ensure that actually learning is happening? I'll quickly focus on very small concept. We call it as a concept of socially useful and productive work. It was a concept given by Gandhiji long years back. But what is our basic idea to put this forth? There are two things. Just we are trying to focus on education, that is slightly migration from learning towards education. One quick example and you will quickly understand that how we are trying to reach to our students. Few days back, I was taking some interviews. There were MBA graduates. Those have prepared their resumes, and what I could learn out of those resumes is that resume started with an email address. Once again I will focus. It was an MBA graduate coming for a job of a management executive. I could ask him, "Ye resume aapne banaya?" He said, "Yes, I have made this resume." I could read his email address. An MBA graduate, his email address was jamesbond007@rediffmail.com. So, and this is the reality. And after that, when I could go through his career objective, I could fairly understand that even he didn't know, and neither of his colleagues knew that from where that career objective is coming from. All are copy paste. What we are trying to focus on is learning a skill is very simple. Our e-learning technology is taking care of it. That how to, if we take an example of internet, if we take an example of Word, Excel, PowerPoint, it's very simple. That how to do it bold or italic or something like this, it can be taught easily. But how to convert that learning into an education, what we are focusing on. So whenever a student actually come to our center, we give him a complete list of socially useful and list of outputs that he should able to learn. When a senior citizen is coming for this course, for the course of internet, we don't focus on HTTP protocol, FTP protocol, what is a browser, what is the concept of browser. Rather than we directly tell him that this is Skype, you can log in and you can talk to your ward sitting in America. This is a chat option, you can directly chat with him. This is the way you can pay your MSc bill. This is the way you can apply for a passport. This is the way you can create a wonderful project report using Word. This is a typical Excel file from where you can actually create an expense sheet. So there are 150 plus outputs which focuses on socially useful outputs. Student come to our center, he creates his own syllabus, and rather than focusing on learning a car driving, that he is not focusing on that I am learning to drive a Sentro or a Maruti. We are focusing on learning a car, how to drive a car. Interface may change, tools may change, but how to apply it to society, how he can actually create a wonderful greeting card from Adobe Suite, from Word, from Excel, some good outputs, put it into the market and can earn 100 rupees, and that is what we are focusing on. That is small children coming to our center, creating hundreds of outputs, putting it into the market, earning 100 rupees, 200 rupees. They understand that they can actually put their learning into society and earn out of it. So this is the way we are trying to focus on. So this is a need of SUPW outputs. So he can actually create a greeting card. He can actually create variety of outputs what he is learning on. So now when we deploy this, for this April batch, I would like to say 4,23,000 students are registered for the course. Still sitting in an office in Pune, I come to know that which student has learned which skills, he is sitting in which center. So minutest of data, minutest of learning skills are available with us. These kind of MIS reports are generated. So this is the way we have deployed this our whole framework, e-learning technologies, education system, to create something new. We are trying on it, we are focusing on it, and we are seeing to it that if we can bring a new paradigm of education. So that's all. Thank you.